Hello everyone, right now I am in front of the company called SURV-LED. From the window, maybe they're making the outdoor lighting and the commercial lighting. The shop is not too big, but I think they are quite experienced in making those items. Now let's go in and find out what's more. Let's go. Hi, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Hello, my name is Daniel.
Okay.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Daniel. Would you please say hello to our camera?
Hello, I'm Daniel from SURV company.
Okay, so Daniel, would you please tell us something about your company?
Okay, so now start to introduce SURV.
Yeah.
Zhongshan SURV Lighting Corporation Limited was founded in 2013.
Okay.
It's located in China lighting capital Guzhen.
Yeah.
So it's mainly in their high-end LED commercial lighting products.
Okay.
Major customer in the Middle East.
Oh, Middle East.
Yeah. So our brand name is SURV.
SURV.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much. And just now I noticed that maybe SURV Lighting is professional in making the commercial lighting and outdoor lighting, right?
Mostly it's for indoor.
Okay, indoor lighting.
Yeah.
Okay, so would you please do us some introduction?
Okay, so now this part all is for indoor using.
Okay, it's for indoor use?
Yeah, the spotlight.
Yeah.
And mostly we working with the project.
Project one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So project for this kind, mostly used in the hotel.
Hotel.
And the price is very competitive.
Okay, can I have a look?
Yeah, and this cupping is 75 mm.
Wow. Okay.
It's very common, and the price is good, and the looking is nice.
Yeah, I think so. It's very good looking.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else?
So for cylinder, this is the surface mounted downlight.
Right.
Cylinder mostly is used the CNC machine
Okay.
to make it, and also for this kind of product, we have good price.
Okay. You have a fair price. So mostly you are making some projects, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, can you introduce some of your projects?
Some in Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Yes, but mostly in Middle East.
Middle
in Dubai.
East. Okay, in Dubai.
Dubai, yeah.
Okay. So what kind of occasion, like in the museum, in the villa, or?
The normal building, we provided mostly like
Okay.
I will show you what kind. This product we provide. This one can fix the GU10.
Okay.
Easy to replace. If the bulb broken, then you can change it.
Okay.
And this private mode.
Yeah.
Also, this kind always private mode for this project.
Oh, do you mean private tooling, right?
Yeah,
okay.
right.
Wow, you have so many items right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe 1,000 because each different project need different requirements.
Right. So then I think you are quite familiar with all these items, right?
Nearly.
So if I am a customer,
Yeah.
when I come into your shop, how do I know some products that are suitable for me?
So first you need to give me more information. Okay, you want the captain,
Okay.
wattage,
Right.
which location you want to use.
Okay.
Then we can give you some suggestions.
Okay. Wow, so you're quite professional in that. Yeah, okay. And I noticed that this wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
This for downlight.
Downlight.
Downlight, but you see the size is bigger some. So this one
Right.
for the more higher layers.
Right.
So normal like 5 meters, 6 meters, then you
Oh.
can use this size.
Okay. Okay. It's very practical. Okay. And what about over there? Is it for outdoor lighting?
Yeah, this outdoor, but how say we are major in the indoor.
Okay.
But for outdoor, just mostly the project also need.
Yeah.
So we just make like assembling.
Right.
Like this kind also in Dubai project, our private mode. Also this kind like a projector.
Right.
Also is private mode.
Right.
Use outdoor, and then you can focus on maybe you have some logo you want to shoot it, so
Right.
you use this kind.
Right.
And this one also is nice, the design, and
Right.
you can make like a circle.
Wow.
So this is can he's like this, and you can make a circle and can like a train.
Wow, it's very cool.
Yeah, so now but this not we make the design.
You made the design.
This just we make assembling.
Okay.
Yeah, and also for this outdoor wall lamp, have plastic and have aluminum.
Yeah.
Just depend on what the budget the customer has.
Okay. So different budget, different option.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
I can tell. So right now I am standing in front of SURV lighting. I can tell, wow, they have so many downlights and spotlight and outdoor lighting and so on. And I think they're quite professional in making the lighting solutions for everyone. So if you are interested in their product, don't forget to scan the QR code at the end of this video, and we're going to have a personal advisor for you. If you like our program, remember to like this video and leave your comments below. And remember, this is SURV Lighting. And once again, thank you, Daniel.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Nice
So
to meet you today.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, so let's stay tuned. Bye bye.
See you.